does this work?
We'll show you next.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban, and that's Mommy behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing a scientific egg trick. We're going to be balancing an egg. Stay tuned. We're going to try to balance the egg. Stop balancing. Why is it not balancing? Is there some way that we can balance it? How does this work?
We'll show you next.
We got a small pile of salt here. Now let's see if we can balance it. Whoa.
It worked! Look at that! You balanced it.
Now let's go to the next step. Now we're gonna lightly blow the salt out from under the egg. Look, it's still balancing.
Yeah, it is still balancing.
Thanks for watching. Bye!